Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that there is not much movement going on the chart of Euro USD. Things are pretty dull and pretty flat here. So let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is going on the chart of Euro USD. Then we will be jumping to the strategy, or what should be a strategy. Clear? So let's get started. So first of all, you can see that there is not much movement here. The market seems pretty flat here. And if you go to the Forex volatility calculator also, you'll find the Forex volatility calculator on my website, avilashhazarika.com. And under Forex 101 section, you'll find the Forex volatility calculator. So you can see that in the Forex volatility calculator, Euro USD, see, in the 15 minutes chart, we can hardly expect a movement of 1.8 pips. In the 30 minutes chart, there is only a movement of 3.1 pips. In the 1 hour chart, there is a movement of 4.4 pips. In the 4 hours chart, there is hardly a movement of 6.8 pips. And as we all know, volatility is the main weapon of a trader. Volatility is extremely important, because if there is no volatility or movement in the market, then it is not possible to make money. And right now you can clearly see that Euro USD is completely flat here. And if we go to Forex sentiment meter also, you can see that in the Forex sentiment meter is telling us a different story here. 16% retail traders have taken short position and 83% retail traders have taken long position. Okay. Which means that 16% retail traders are thinking market will be going down, whereas 83% traders are thinking that market will be going up. And as we all know, 90%, okay, more than 90% retail traders lose money. Okay. So trade wisely, trade with proper analysis, and most importantly, see, they have already taken long position here. They have already taken long position, but and here you can see that market is not in the mood of going up. Okay, and if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then one thing is very much clear to us, that still market does not have the strength to go up. Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the body language of the market. Okay, do you think that this market has the potential to go up right now? No, the bulls does not have the strength to take the price upward. So this is not the ideal position for the market to go for any buy right now. Yesterday I thought that market will be reviving from here, but market failed to recover. Therefore, you should not trade at this present portion of the market, because see, this is the overall trend of the market. Okay. This is the overall trend of the market. The overall trend of the market is towards the downside. It means that number of sellers are higher in comparison to the number of buyers. And if you look at the present trend also, then we can see that there was heavy sell-off on the market. So that is a clear indication to us that if there are 100 traders in the market, then 80 traders are right now in the selling side and only 20 are in the buying side. The number of sellers are much higher. Therefore this is the main reason why market is struggling to go up. Try to understand the whole scenario here. Okay, so retail traders have already taken long position, but still market does not have the strength to go up right now, and as a result you are still seeing that market is kind of flat. So what should be our strategy then? The strategy is, okay, considering all these factors, okay, I think that the best trading opportunity is go for a buy at 1710 level, because if you go to the weekly chart here, then you can see that previously when market came down to this particular level, market bounced, and right now you can see that market is still trying to respect this particular level and market is trying to recover. Therefore we can easily see that market is struggling. Okay, therefore there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing once it touches this support level. Try to understand the market emotion here. Okay. As we all know, market is driven by big players, institutional traders. See, someone is sitting at this price level, so we can expect that when market will hit this support level, he will immediately take some action and market will bounce. So therefore we will have to wait for the market to come down to the level. Right now market is just above the level, so still considering this yesterday's scenario, I'll tell you that you should not go for a buy right here. So I'll tell you that wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time, then only go for a buy. Right now market is here, wait for the market to come down and take support here. Until and unless market comes and takes support at this price level, do not go for buy. When market will hit the level, then try to observe the price. Just see how the price is reacting after hitting or reaching this support level. If you see that price is bouncing, or if you see a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, then you will get the confirmation that yes, market is still respecting this support level, because this support level belongs to the weekly chart, and as we all know, the support and resistance level from the weekly chart are extremely important they are because they belong to the institutional traders. So there is a good possibility that market will bounce, and when market will bounce from this support, you can easily go for a buy here. So this is the only strategy that is available to us in front of us. That is only strategy available to us in the chart of Euro USD right now. And if I zoom out the chart also, okay, if I zoom out the chart also, then we can also draw a trend line here as a dynamic resistance. But right now market does not have the strength to go up here, so I'm not discussing what you need to do once market hit this resistance. Okay, looking at the present condition of the market, it seems that market will be coming down to the support only. Okay. In case market goes up and reaches this trend line, then we can see that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market, and when market will reverse, you can short the market. That's it. So this is the only strategy, okay, for the Euro USD chart right now. Market is dull, market is flat, you can clearly see on the chart. So there are plenty of opportunities on other currency pairs as well, so you can look for other options. Okay, but Euro USD is not a good option to trade right now because of less volatility. And recently I have also launched a Pro Trader membership. Here you can see that Pro Trader membership is live on my website. I'll be sharing my analysis, okay, for $15 per month only. I'll be sharing minimum 3 analysis reports per week, and if you know what the analysis will look like, then you just click on this PDF button, a report will start downloading, then you can have a look how the report will look like and how the report will help you. Anyways, this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.